Are you ready to get the ultimate music streaming app on your Android device? Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of installing Spotify on your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. The icon looks like a colorful triangle with a play button in the middle. In order to install an app on your Android phone, you need to be logged in with a Google account. It is possible that you have not added an account on your Google Play Store. If you get to this screen, then it means you need to log into a Google account. If that is the case, we will guide you on how to create or log into your Google account. If you are already logged on to your account, skip this step by clicking the timestamp from the description of the video. Tap on Sign In. It is possible to be asked the PIN number or the fingerprint to continue to the next step. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now we reached another screen that gives us two possibilities. One is to use a Google account that we already have, or another option is to create a new account. We will talk about every option. Let's see how we can log into an account we already have. Type your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification process. On this step, select the proper access. Use this device for you or for a child and tap Next. Review and accept Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy to complete the sign-in process. Tap I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now, tap on More and then Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can verify your purchases by using biometrics or using your password. If you want to be faster, I suggest using your biometrics, but you can choose what you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. But what if you do not have an account on the Google Play Store? How can you install apps? You need to create an account. Do not worry, it's fast and easy. Let's reset to the screen where we needed to log in to show you how you can create a Google account. Tap on Create Account. When you make a Google account, you are presented with the option to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Let's take a closer look at each type of account. Personal account. This is the most common type of Google account and is designed for individual users. A personal account provides access to a wide range of Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and more. It allows you to manage your personal emails, files, and online activities, as well as customize your account settings and preferences. Account for your child. Google provides a specialized type of account designed for children under the age of 13, known as a Google account for kids or Family Link. This account is created and managed by a parent or guardian who has their own Google account. With a child account, parents can set up parental controls, manage content restrictions, monitor activity, and approve app downloads. It allows children to access age-appropriate Google services and gradually gain independence online while ensuring a safer digital environment. For work or My Business. Formerly known as G Suite, a business account is tailored for organizations, businesses, and educational institutions. It provides a comprehensive suite of productivity and collaboration tools, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and more. When choosing the account type, it's important to select the one that aligns with your specific requirements. A personal account is suitable for individual use, while a child account offers parental controls for younger users. Business accounts provide a robust set of tools for professional purposes, facilitating communication and productivity within organizations. We will select a personal use account as that will do the majority of you. Once you're on the Google account creation page, you'll need to provide some personal information. Start by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Tap Next. Select your birthday and gender and tap Next. You can create a Gmail account or use your email address. If you use your email address, you will be getting an extra step to verify the email. You will receive an email with a verification code that you will need to provide to Google so they can verify you are actually the owner of that email address. Because it is easier and it does not cost anything, I will select to create a new Gmail address. Next, it's time to choose a username and password for your Google account. Your username will be your Gmail email address, so pick a unique and memorable one. If your desired username is unavailable, you'll be prompted to choose an alternative. Also, you can tap on Create Your Own Gmail Address and pick a custom username. After you are pleased with the username, tap on Next. Take a moment to think of a strong password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help secure your account. Then tap Next. It's important to add recovery information to your Google account. This includes providing a recovery phone number and an alternate email address. In case you forget your password or need to recover your account, Google will use this information to help you regain access. Make sure the phone number and email address you enter are valid and accessible to you. I will skip this step. Tap Next to confirm your new email address. On these steps, you can personalize some settings. I will use the first option as I do not wish to go on every step and make this a very long video. You can choose whatever you would like on this part. Now you will have to confirm settings and cookies. Scroll down and tap on Accept All or Reject All. Scroll down and tap on Confirm. Scroll down and tap on I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now tap on More and then Accept. You need to accept the terms of service for the Google Play Store. Tap Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can tap here whatever you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. Use the search bar at the top to type in Spotify and tap the search icon. Locate the app named Spotify, Music and Podcasts with a green and black logo. Tap the Install button next to the app. The download will begin, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have sufficient mobile data. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Spotify app. Now that Spotify is installed, you can create an account or simply log in with your Google or Facebook account. You can stick with the free plan or upgrade to Spotify Premium for additional benefits like no ads and offline downloads. Select your favorite artists and genres to get tailored music recommendations. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy Spotify. Here are some quick solutions if you run into problems. Not enough space. Check your phone's storage and delete unnecessary files to make room for Spotify. No Play Store access. Ensure you're logged into a Google account and your Play Store app is up to date. Slow download. Speed. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network or try restarting your phone. Still, facing issues? Drop a comment below and we'll help you out. And that's how you install Spotify on your Android phone. Now you're all set to stream your favorite tunes and podcasts wherever you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. What's your go-to playlist on Spotify? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.